The healthcare saga continues in Shaunavon. As the Cypress Health region continues to recruit nursing staff to fill a number of vacancies, one of the two physicians in the community has now given her notice of resignation. Dr. Siva Balassingham will leave her duties in Shaunavon after a short 2-year period and move on to strictly clinical duties in Swift Current as of the middle of April. A situation which the town's mayor indicates is very disappointing, since the doctor was well liked in the community, and her exit culminated due to a number of factors.
The on-call at the hospital is really difficult for her, and of course we were expecting, and she was expecting Dr. Bella, her husband, to join her in practice, but he's been caught up in a bit of a nightmare in terms of getting him here. So I guess on a positive note, Dr. Siva is going to be practicing over in Swift Current. She's a wonderful doctor. We sure hate to lose her.
Dickie is concerned for the health care and well-being of Shaunavon and area residents as the struggle with recruitment and retention of healthcare employees continues. She says things need to improve sooner than later because the current process appears to have a major flaw.
It's just a system that isn't working, and in terms of healthcare, and until it's it's rectified and a health system is put in place that our nurses, our doctors can work, within. I think we're going to see the same thing happening. So in small communities where you've got one or two doctors, and communities as busy as Shaunavon, it doesn't, it just doesn't work. We need to have our physicians in place, but. We operate the municipality, education runs the schools, and I guess we're just hoping that the health will step up and run the hospitals the way they should be.
Meanwhile, down at the Cypress Health region, officials say they're addressing the issue to the best of their ability, despite the naysayers on Coffee Row.
We get that those concerns aren't falling on deaf ears, and healthcare is a slow-moving process where private business can be done a little bit different, a little bit faster. We have processes and approvals and different things that we have to go through. So I guess whether people believe us or not, there's lots of work going on. We have dedicated people from our board level, our senior management, to our director level, to our frontline managers, right down to our frontline people that truly care about the people that they're serving and are working hard to make differences so that people understand and have the ability to have that healthcare needs when they need it appropriately.
And until the physician issue is fully ironed out, Regier indicates there will be some form of physician coverage in Shaunavon as Dr. Siva prepares to leave and Dr. Lawrence returns from vacation.
He'll be returning sort of the second week in April. Our understanding is Dr. Siva won't be leaving till he's back, and so she'll provide the necessary cover to keep the facility open until such time as we're able to have a conversation with Dr. Lorenz to see what he's willing to provide. Short of that, then of course we will work with our physician recruitment department in that region and try to see if we can work out some physician locums to provide some coverage down there as well.
Shaunavon is located approximately 90 minutes southwest of Swift Current. Southwest TV News will continue to follow this story as it unfolds.